Doc here with the Humboldt X YouTube channel, and my wife Mekko and I decided to come out to Freshwater Beach and check out Freshwater Lagoon and hike to the top of Freshwater Rocks. So stay tuned, hang with me. Let's get to it. Little overcast today. I've been wanting to hike back to the top of Freshwater Rocks again out there at Freshwater Lagoon, and plus Mekko wants to get out and take a run on the beach, so I guess we'll see what it's looking like when we get out there. The elk are out. Let's go say hi here. This is one of many of the elk herds up here. This is the Stone Lagoon herd. Quite a few of them. Bunch of males up over there. I'll drive. I'm not going to walk up to them. Quite a few males, actually. 1, 2, 3, 8, probably more. 9. Just chilling. Cool, man. I'm gonna drive up. I'm not gonna get out of my truck, but I'm gonna drive up a little closer to the bucks over there. Gets into rutting season, and the males will battle it out, and the dominant will stay, and the other males will get cut out of the herd. But these are a bunch of young males. Cool, man. I've seen this herd out on the Dry Lagoon beach, which Dry Lagoon's right, well, there's a sign right there. It's right across the street from us. The dead end's in the Dry Lagoon there, and then Sharp Point, and then Stone Lagoon's right ahead of us, so. All right, well, cool. Let's go drive up kind of near them and check out the bucks up there. Quite a few. You can see the one dominant male right there. Cool, man. Yeah, these guys will cross the 101, and especially when you come through Stone Lagoon, they'll go over to the RV park, right, which is just north of us, and then they'll cross 101 on the other side. They just kind of go back and forth, but you know, Just one of the many herds up here. They're tagged and collared, look at them. All right. We're gonna make our way back up to Freshwater, but thought I'd stop and see some elks, man, at least. All right, I'm gonna get back out on 101 and proceed north here. Yep. What do you think about that puppy? Big, strange dogs with horns or what? Cool, man. Cool, man. It's a little hazy, but not bad at all. Look at that. Little rabbit running through the dunes. All right, puppy. You ready? All right, let's go. Hold on. We're gonna be good citizens, dude. Come here. Okay. Let's go. You gonna behave? Here. You free, puppy. Get on the beach. This is such a great beach, man. It's pretty popular because 101 is right here. A couple folks fishing. Looks like a crabbing boat way back, way up north. That's the Redwood Creek outlet right up here on the north end. I think you can hunt for agates here. I don't see why not. A bunch of rocks in there. When we used to live in Trinidad, we'd come out to this beach all the time. Because it's just right up the road and you can let your dogs roam here. On the Stone Lagoon side, you got to keep your dog on a leash. Such a beautiful beach, man. Well, there's actually two crabbing boats out there. One's got his lights on, the other one doesn't look like it. Used to, when the tide's down, you can get out there. There's also a cave over there too. I was out here with Brody one time and an Army National Guard Chinook helicopter came right up the beach, man. It came from the north and it went right over us, man. Gave Brody a little excitement. There's when the tide's down, it's cool to go out there and little mini tidal pools out there and such. I think I'm going to try to climb to the top of the rocks up there. There's a little bit of a pathway through here, and I'm going to try to employ my non-existent rock climbing skills here. Little cluster of mussels. They're all closed up too. Here, puppy, get your stick. No, leave those. Here. You're not eating seafood today. Let's see. Come here. Okay. Go get it, puppy. You're gonna get got, puppy. You better be careful. Yep. Hey, don't drink the water either, right? Hey! You gonna roll in it? Here it comes, dude. Yeah, you're gonna get got, Holmes. You look alive. You drinking it? Mekko. You're gonna get all wet. Another crabbing boat right out there on the horizon. So winter haze with the sun's out. It's beautiful here, man. Such a nice beach. I think I'm gonna try to hike to the top of the rocks here. Hey, puppy. Ooh. Yeah, it's beautiful, man. Let's keep going. Good grief. That's a heck of a trail. Getting to the top here. Man, it's beautiful. See Stone Lagoon and Sharp Point. That's Sue-meg Park out there, Wedding Rock and all that. See a crab boat way out there. Looking for whales. Another crab boat. It's beautiful, man. I think 101 was cut in, from what I can tell, in the late 50s. I don't know the exact date, to be honest, but 101 used to go right up along the other side of Freshwater. This is Freshwater Lagoon here. It used to cut right around. You kind of see where the road is, and then it dropped down on the other side. And then what this whole strip along 101 here is a lot of camping. Man, they would line this whole road up, this whole stretch. Campers galore, all the way up and down here. And there's no facilities, so I'm going to imagine the sands along the beach here became a big old giant litter box. Gross. I'm gonna chill here for just a little bit and make the trek back down, but that's beautiful. Redwood Creek outlet's right up here. You can see the two rocks there, they're called the Sisters. Wow. A little ways down, eh? I'm not going to venture, I'm going to leave that edge right where it's at. I want to go up and hike to the top of Sharp Point. And you can get to it from the Stone Lagoon side. It's a little bit more of a walk from Stone Lagoon because you can get to it from Dry Lagoon as well. And so long as Stone Lagoon's not breached, you can get all the way over there. It's much farther walk from Dry. But on the other side of Dry Lagoon, on the Sharp Point side, it's a little rockier and you gotta pay attention to the tide, so. Man. Man, well, so beautiful here and beautiful sunset, man, but I make my way back down here. Ooh. I'm gonna have to employ some booty scooting here. We'll make it. The britch is gonna be dirty, but it's all good. Hey, what are you doing, puppy? No, hey, come on. Let's go back down, come on. You a mountain climbing dog now? Come on. Go on. No, come on, puppy. No, go back. Come on, let's go. What do you think, you're a billy goat? Nope, nope. Go on, puppy. Nope, nope. Back down, dude. Come on, I know. Come on. Good boy. Dude. Come on, dude. I didn't take Mekko for a mountain climber, but here he is. Come on, puppy. Nope, other way, dude. Come on. Oh, you gonna take a stick for good measure?
Oh God, oh God. Oh my God, you're crazy. You're crazy.
Well, that happened. Make my way back down here. Goofy boy. What are you, a mountain climbing billy goat? Good grief. Silly boy. Man, he went way up there. All the way up to the top, man. Which is cool, but it's a pretty steep drop off on the other side, silly boy. All right, man. Let's go down to the north side here. There's a visitor center and all that, and used to be a lumber mill out there. I think it was a Hammond lumber mill, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not totally sure, but I don't know. Let's go take a ride. Come on, puppy, let's go. Come on. Inside, come on. No, stop it. Don't do floppy boy, come on. No, get up. Come on, let's go. Get up, dude. Hey. We don't do floppy boy, dude. Come on, get up. You don't want to go? Get a sand in your eyeballs. Come on, get up. No, get up. Come on. Don't do floppy boy. You're too big. Come on. Come on, no. Go on, good boy. Good grief.
Good boy.
You don't want to go home. Stay out on the beach. Goes to the floppy boy routine. All right, we're going to make our way up to the north side here. Well, that's beautiful, man. Hoping to spot some gray whales, but when I was up on the rocks, but nope, it's okay. This whole area over here, there's a visitor center, it's closed. This whole area on this side of Redwood Creek was a pretty big lumber milling operation back in the day. And I don't know which lumber mill it was. I saw one of the old county maps. It was Hammond, but the Oric Lumber Company had a mill out here as well. And to be honest, I don't know which one this one was right here at the mouth of the Redwood Creek, which is right up there. But it's now a visitor center. But imagine coming through here, and Oric is right up through the through that little valley right there. Yep. It's a lot of lumber history here in Humboldt. There still is, but certainly not like what it used to be back in the days. It's hazy, sun's working its way down. Well, my wife and I just wanted to get out and get Mekko on the beach and spend another winter Humboldt day getting out and about. Sun's trying to set its way down. Just another beautiful spot in Humboldt. We got to head home, and also I'm working on a little bit of a longer video. I drove Neeland Road from Freshwater all the way on that back end down to Bridgeville. It's going to be a longer video, and I'm working on that now. So if you're interested in knowing a little bit of the history of Neeland Road, that was one of the main pack routes here in Humboldt back in the day, long before 101 and the Redwood Highway. So I'm working on that. That'll be coming out soon, and it's just going to take me a little time. So, well, thank you so much for watching. You know, my family and I, we greatly appreciate it. We really appreciate all the support. Thank you to everybody that subscribed to this channel. Obviously, it's at where it's at because of all of you, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. We're building quite a playlist on the channel, so be sure to check that out. So, from my family to yours, celebrate others, respect yourself, because love is powerful, man, and we'll see you on the next one.